Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Going over Thursday and Monday's trade. As of now, I have passed the accounts and I will go over that trade later in this video. So basically, this first trade that you're going to see is the loss that I took on Thursday. It was a supply on gold. Of course, gold was due for a pullback. I've heard from my mentor and from other people that around like 11 to 12, normally like around 10:30 or so, usually the market likes to do reversals and things of that sort. So I did take a supply trade hoping that it would go through. I don't know if I showed it in this clip, but I was literally waiting for a while for gold to do any sort of pullback and it just refused. Like, gold was very bearish that day and I just was not able to catch any of the momentum. There was one trade I could have taken, which was a breakout on the 13 EMA, but I decided not to because I wanted to wait for a supply and demand setup instead. And if I would have done that, if I would have taken that trade, that would have made me pass the accounts, but that's okay. So I ended up taking a supply and just barely in profit. It was barcoding and zigzagging, and I just got unconfident when it didn't immediately go into my direction, because all throughout my session gold has just been extremely bullish and pushing and dropping, and it wasn't giving me that momentum. So moving on to the trade that I took that I actually won on, it was a more or less like supply and demand, demand plus support plus a 13 EMA breakout. Even though the demand was low probability, it had a 13 EMA break and the momentum candle just was seeming like it was going to continue in that direction. So I got in trade, and I made a mistake on this trade. I accidentally bought. I usually put like a limit order to sell some contracts or buy back contracts, like to take partials and then leave some runners going, but I accidentally bought contracts because I put the wrong order on, and I realized my mistake early on and decided to get out by certain contracts. But if I thought I could catch the momentum, I was like, you know what, let me see if I could continue catching the momentum for a little bit. I don't even need to get a lot, and I did. So I ended up passing the accounts, and here is the other information about that. I will leave that in the rest of the video. So that's just it, and thank you guys for watching. I am going to be taking a break just so that I can calm my nerves, and I need to build up the capital in order to pay for all the accounts anyway. So it is what it is. I like taking breaks for trading anyway to calm my heart pressure. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and have a good one.